Hello friend, welcome to my channel. This day I said that I want to create speed to touch app in Sketchware bro. Okay, open Sketchware. Okay. Create a new project. Project name is speed touch. Speed touch. Create app. One linear view with max parent. One button. Copy all linear one is center horizontal, center vertical. Okay. The size of button is 25. Button dash is speed 6. Okay. 1W. Okay. That is 9. Okay. That's equal 20, 25. Okay. Component, add component, speed to dash. That's the edge. Click speed to dash. Click on speed reset. Okay. Click view. Choose set dash. Okay. Reset. View. One button, one glitch. Governance. Start listening. Okay. Runs app. Stop. Okay. Please open your mobile data. Hello. Okay, you see that. Okay.